Dear students, welcome back to Chem Aspire. This is part 7 corrosion lecture series. In this video, we are going to discuss about galvanic series. In one of our previous videos, we have been discussing about electrochemical series. What is electrochemical series? Electrochemical series is a series in which the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their standard reduction potential. And we get many valuable information regarding the reactivity of metals from this electrochemical series. But there is a drawback in this electrochemical series. So this series cannot predict the corrosion behavior of metals under many practical situations. Therefore, there is a need for another series called as the galvanic series. A new series is obtained by arranging the electrode potential of metals and alloys. So, we are here the electrode potential of metals and alloys are observed, and it is arranged in the decreasing order of reactivity, decreasing order of activity, and the series that is obtained is called as the galvanic series. So what is galvanic series? A galvanic series is a series in which the metals and alloys are arranged according to the decreasing order of the activity. So say this is the galvanic series: magnesium alloys, zinc, aluminium alloys, low carbon steel, cast iron, stainless steel, lead tin alloys, lead, tin, brass, copper, bronze, copper, nickel alloys, silver and graphite. So here this is the more active, this region is more anodic in nature, and when you come here it is less anodic in nature, or it is cathodic in nature. This is more anodic and this is more cathodic in nature. Actually, for getting this electrogalvanic series, the metals and alloys, the electrode potential of the metals and alloys are observed, or they are obtained by immersing them in the seawater. Right? Therefore, this series, galvanic series, is also called as the corrosion series, and this is also called as the corrosion series. And many valuable information regarding the relative reactivity of the metals and alloys for corrosion can be obtained from this series. So we know what is galvanic series. It is a series in which the metals or alloys, electrode potential of the metals and alloys are arranged in the decreasing order of the reactivity. And here the electrode potential of the metals and alloys are obtained by immersing them in the seawater. Therefore, it is also called as the corrosion series. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.